Hey, how's it going, guys? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we will be going over how to set up ElectronPlayer, and we're going to use it to make Netflix easier to listen to and watch on your Linux desktop. So to understand why you would want to use ElectronPlayer, a lot of people who want to use Chrome, or who have to use Chrome, I should say, but don't want to because Chrome comes with all the Widevine plugins for Netflix. And Firefox does support it too now, but if you don't want to deal with that in your browser, you just kind of want to install something and go, ElectronPlayer is for you. Now, you may run into some weirdness. I did notice some people having issues with it, but in my experience, it has worked. So to start off, open up a terminal, and we're going to get ElectronPlayer directly from the Snap Store. So snap search ElectronPlayer. And you can copy this package here, sudo snap install ElectronPlayer, enter your password, and it will download everything that you need. And as you can see, Floatplane, Twitch, YouTube, it supports a lot of different stuff. So even if you're not using this for Netflix, maybe you want an easy way to access Floatplane or Netflix and YouTube and Twitch, you can do that. It'll mount and connect, and we will be able to get going. So ElectronPlayer, and you just open up the app here, and it is started. You choose a streaming service, and as of now, I think they've added Hulu as well, so that's pretty cool. Click the Netflix logo, and then you can sign in your username. Also, I'm pretty sure that for those of you having trouble gaining access to ElectronPlayer, if you try some of the other ways of installing it, Snap method seems to be the way to go here, so just keep that in mind. I'm going to log into my Netflix account. So once I've clicked the sign in button, I can just choose my own profile, and Netflix is ready to use. And you can access your favorite shows directly through this app. You do not need to deal with installing Chrome. You don't have to have a browser that you don't like on your system, if you don't trust Google or anything like that. And this is also really useful if you just want all of your services in one place. So like I said, you can go to your Hulu account, you can go to your YouTube, you can go to Twitch, and it all stays contained in this browser. Really, really useful. I really like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.